Hi there, this is Jenny Walker from DigiGoods and Printables ELA. Welcome to Argumentative Essay Writing, segment number 1. If you have found this video from my YouTube channel, you can find a link to this workshop in the description. This video is a first of this series and it will cover how to analyze the existing sample essay in your workshop. If you don't have this workshop, you can still follow along. The following videos will guide you through each step of the writing process using your interactive workshop. Let's get started. Section number 1, Sample Essay Breakdown. On my slide, this is slide number 7, but yours might be numbered a little bit differently. Scroll down to the next slide, and let's take a look at what elements you're going to be looking for in the sample essay. In the introductory paragraph, you're going to be looking for a hook, the background information, a counterclaim, and a thesis statement. In the body paragraphs, you're going to be looking for topic sentences, supporting evidence, elaboration, or some people call this discussion and explanation. And in the conclusion paragraph, you're going to look for the restatement of a thesis, a brief summary of key points, a solution that has been posed to solve the problem, and you'll look for where the theme of the hook has been revisited. It's important to note that not every conclusion paragraph will have all of these elements. For example, it may not be appropriate to pose a solution for every topic. It's also important to note that you may not know many of these elements or any at all. Or you may know all of them. Wherever you're at in your knowledge is okay. Even if you know a couple of them, you're doing great. The purpose of this activity is to make you aware that there are certain elements that are expected in your essay and in your writing, and to help you know what you still need to learn. So go ahead and scroll down to the next slide. And this is your color coding guide. As you can see, you're going to highlight the hook green, the background information blue, the counterclaim yellow, and so on. Scroll down to the next slide and I will show you how to do it. Here's a sample essay that I wrote for this workshop. It's called School Uniforms, a Two-Pronged Solution. If you notice to the left of the slide, there are transparent boxes that you'll use to drag on top of the text to highlight the elements. And on the right of your slide is a color coding guide. These boxes are in no particular order. Here's how it works. To highlight, let's say your hook, which is going to be green, you'll need to pick up the green box like this and drag it onto the text that you want to cover. You notice that it's transparent, you can see through it. I'm not going to put this on the actual hook because I don't want to give away the answer. Now once you get your text boxes in place, you can drag them to the size you need. You can cover as many lines as you want. You can even duplicate them by hitting Control-C and Control-V. So maybe you need another box to cover a partial piece of a sentence, and whatever you need to do to make it fit. It's very important to note that you don't have to cover the text exactly. It's okay to overlap a little bit or to miss some of the words in the sentence, because the point is just to show that you know which elements are which, that you can identify these elements. Then you're just going to work your way through each of the elements in the color coding guide and place these boxes wherever you need to place them. And that's all there is to it. Do your best and see which of these elements you can identify on your own. Later, I have another video for you that reveals the answers. This concludes section 1 of your argumentative essay workshop. I'll see you in the next video, which is segment 2, pre-writing. In that segment, you'll choose your topic, develop your claim, brainstorm your reasons that support your claim, then gather a little bit of preliminary evidence. Once again, if you have found this video from my YouTube channel, you can find the link in the workshop to this workshop in the descriptions. Also, teachers, connect with my Facebook group where we discuss all things digital learning. You can find that link in the description as well. See you in the next video. Happy learning and happy teaching.